How to change country or region on iPhone. Let's get started. Launch your settings. Now navigate to the option General. Now scroll down and head over to the option Language and Region. Once you're over here, click on the option of region. Now here you're gonna find the list of the region. Check in for any of the region that you wanna set for your device. With that, the region will be updated. Likewise, you can also change the region for your App Store. For that, launch your App Store. Then click on the profile icon given at the top right. Now click on your Apple ID. Head towards the option Country or Region. Click on Change Country or Region. Here you're gonna find the list of the countries. Check in for any of the country that you wanna set for your device. With that, the country will be updated. So this way you are able to change country or region on iPhone. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.